Sup guys, it's Double A or Smash, and today we are back with another video in my house. In my house. We got runner, Get it! So, today we'll be doing some stuff. As you can see, that thing over there, that giant mess of stuff. As you can see, that is a Hotwheels track. So I wanted to do a video a long time ago, but then I didn't have a YouTube account. So today it's different now, but I didn't play with it for very long, so let's get this thing done. Yep. Okay, wait guys. Ashton, it's Ashton. Get him! That is a track side when it's done. Okay. Oh god. I spin too much. Okay, wait guys. Why are you so baby? He doesn't like anyone touching his paws. Let me touch your paws. Damn. Ew.